Alright folks, I'm out here at the soccer field. I'm going to fly the Maule. And here, not exactly a scale takeoff, but anyways, that's the Maule, as you can see. One of my very favorite birds. Flying around now at about just a hair over half throttle. Run a 2500 4 cell inner. Them lights definitely make a difference. Got a little bit of a wind out of the west there. Oh, I'm sorry, actually it's out of the south. So I need to turn around. Actually, the wind is at my back. So the approach is different. There we go. Let's do takeoff flaps this time. Wind is kind of out of the south here. I mean out of the east, I'm sorry. Man, I'm confused today, aren't I? There's a knife edge for you. There's a nice knife edge.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
There, nice approach. Nice landing. What a way to turn around. It's a good looking bird, that's for sure. Another nice knife edge there. I swear I don't have an obsession with knife edges. I just seem to end up doing them all the time. Because I'll come into a turn and I'm like, well, just do a knife edge. There, a nice buttery smooth landing. Well, see, I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said buttery smooth landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. All right. There, now, that was better. Okay, we got enough juice for one more. Uh-oh, I'm upside down. What do? I flip. Here, that's full speed right there, or that was. Now there was a time when I was scared to death of these planes. They would just, I was so afraid I'd panic. Come in for a landing, I'd panic. And that's part of the reason why it had crashes. For that exact reason. Alright, we still got a minute and 15 seconds, so a 5-minute timer. Let's go with the wind here. I'll use takeoff flaps. Yeah. Didn't really make much of a difference. There's not that much of a wind, so.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Well, I tell you what, she'll slow right down. And there you go. That is the e-flite Maule, sold by Horizon Hobby and lots of your local hobby shops. But beautiful model, Alaskan bush plane or North Country bush plane, and anywhere where you really don't have the option of a runway, she'll land in almost any terrain. Thank you for watching. You're watching Fat Guy Flies RC, and that is the Maule. Thank you so much.